thanks to the Assam Rifle Authority, mainly IGAR South, Ravrup and the DG. And I also thanks the Honorable Union Home Minister Amit Shah ji, because it is a long due demand of the peoples of Manipur, and as well as the university student body and the teachers are also asking to vacate this particular area because it falls within the campus of the Manipur University. So I am grateful to the Assam Rifle Authority, and they have agreed and shifted to another part, vacating the existing buildings. Amongst the buildings, there is some historic places, like where the Maharaj Gambhir Singh stay. It known as the Langtawal Palace. Means after Kangla, sometimes Maharaj used to come and stay here during the summer time or whenever he got a chance. It is a second palace of Manipur. So this also achievement of the government for the people of the state. People of the state also demanding it since long time back, but it could not be done due to the communication gap between the Assam Rifle and the government. But I am very fortunate the Assam Rifle Authority and our government machinery has interacted frequently and mutually agreed and shifted today. Today is the a little bit happy amongst the citizens of Manipur, and mainly the student body and the Manipur University Teachers Association, Professor Association are very happy of it. Thank you.
Another thing is about this Mizo National Fund, sir. They are constantly criticizing your government for a very long time. This time around, they sent some sketching criticism personally to you, sir. He even demanded your resignations and things like that.
By the Mizoram CM himself.
I think DIPR through the state government department has already clarified, and you see, as a matured politician, as a matured CM of any state, they should not insert hand to others' states' affairs. It is very unfortunate, and let the people decide it. Thank you.
About this Kamal Babu, sir, people are really worried the fact that a man suddenly disappeared from army campus itself.
No, yesterday we also held a press conference. We condemned this kind of things happening, and state government has already urged the concerned authority to find out the person's whereabouts, and the state government also sending our teams and searching the missing person.
Sir,
let us hope.
So who is going to take responsibility for this missing?
No, just it is not the time to insist or divert the issues. It is now our common agenda is to find the missing person, and it is very unfortunate. It happens inside the army campus. That's why we are taking it very seriously.
Thank you, sir.